Hello and welcome everyone. It's an unboxing video, and this time it's the shed location. Not the shit, but the shed location. It's very late, package just arrived, and everyone is asleep, so that's why we're doing it out here today. Not to bother anyone. Armed with my little knife. And where's the package? Right here. From Ratio Ray Raoul. I won't do no, I won't do that. It's from an Italian partner. Opened, so let's see where we can get this. Is there a place where it opens naturally? No, it seems not. So we'll open it here, I think. This should be soaps and splashes. And some blades. There you go. Top. Very well protected. Put some paper here. Alright. So the first item, we're trying to placing this on the floor. First item, new soap, new artisan, Goodfellas Smile, Alpino Alpestre, which is supposed to be, as far as my basic sort of research tells me, it's a piney scent with kind of a musky base and menthol. Let's see how it is. And there's a lid on it. And the menthol is there. I can smell it as I just lifted the lid. A nice scent. Smells a bit like the ones that I had from Finland. So that's one soap. I've been looking forward to getting this one from Sterling. Obsidian. Glacial. Very black, just as the black ice. Very nice anisey, licorice scent. And it should have more menthol in it than the black ice. So I'm very much looking forward to giving this a go. That's item 2. Of course, we have a matching splash right here. Where's the blade? Just to get it open. And this one is glacial as well. Obsidian is only glacial. And the Pinot Alpestre aftershave, nicely packaged. Let's see how it looks. It's like this. Actually see the menthol floating about in there, so it should be a good menthol kick, I hope. Matching splash on that account as well. So next item, also something I've looked forward to, from Sterling as well. Not glacial, just regular mentholated. Frozen Tundra. It's supposed to be a scent of earth into winter. Looks like this. Yeah, kind of. But I mostly get sort of a bubbly gummy scent from it. It's nice. I tried a sample of it once. I liked it. Matching splash right here. Ooh, look, like the colour on this one. More. Blades to try out. Tiger. Very much looking forward to trying these. And a huge pack of, I believe it's 200 blades of Treat Falcon to try out. I haven't tried them. I like the Treat blades all round. Haven't tried these yet, so I hope I like them. Otherwise, you know, give away. I like the design of this kind of retro, old school. So yeah, that's it. So I hope I didn't take too much of your time. So these are the new products in the den. I have to sneak them in the house somehow. Thanks for watching, and stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Bye bye.